Blurry action shots, Sony a6400 dual lens kit, plus honest AF results. Ever miss that perfect kid's soccer goal because your camera couldn't lock focus fast enough? I stared at a dozen blurry action shots from my old DSLR yesterday. Gutted. Total waste of a sunny afternoon. Does this sound like your Tuesday? Let me know in the comments. What's your biggest focus fail? It piles on. Brain fog from endless manual tweaks, drowning in heavy gear that kills spontaneity, weekends lost chasing sharpness in edits. That sinking chest-tight frustration? Phones ghost details. Bulky DSLRs slow you down. I knew there had to be a lighter way to nail keepers without endless hassle. Standard fixes like apps or tripods, they flop under pressure. But real control? It's closer than you think. Enter the Sony a6400 4K mirrorless camera with the 18 to 135mm and 55 to 210mm dual lens kit. Not just gear, but a focus lifesaver bundle ready from day one. The first time I used it at a family event, I finished impossible kid-chasing shots in minutes, not hours of retries. Real-time IAF and tracking stick like glue on eyes or subjects across 84% of the frame, zero blur panic. 11 frames per second bursts with autofocus lock every frame. The flip-out touchscreen nails vlog solo. Crisp 4K full pixel readout for video pros. The 18 to 135mm OSS zoom swallows travel from wide to telephoto, and the 55 to 210mm grabs wildlife and portraits sharp. The weather-sealed body, Wi-Fi transfers zap files fast. The bundle tosses in a spare battery, a case, filters, pure flow, no gaps. It's consensus gold. Experts like photography magazine reviewers praise the a6400's autofocus as flagship-derived magic for APS-C. Influencers call this dual lens bundle insane travel value. Forums buzz with thousands nailing birds in flight or vlogs hassle-free, and analysts peg it as the top hybrid camera under $1,500. Side-by-side tests, it edges newer rivals in sticky tracking. Not just me, I've shot weddings where it outfocused pros. You might think it's pricey or the learning curve steep, but the kit's intuitive flip screen and auto modes flatten that. The spare battery kills runtime gripes, and the lenses cover 18 to 210mm ready to shoot. Reality check? It punches like flagships at mid-range ease. But the surprise? That 18 to 135mm lens's OSS sharpness, it blew my prime lenses away casually. Imagine family events captured sharp, vlogs flipping effortlessly, traveling light with killer reach, weekends back for living, not fixing shots. Join creators seeing real hybrid results daily with the Sony a6400 kit. Full affiliate disclosure, links below are affiliates, but I vouch for this bundle. If you want the full specifications or to try it yourself, I've dropped the link below. Check it out. Your next keeper awaits.